Welcome to Las Vegas, the desert city that's host to some of the more glamorous casinos, celebrity chef restaurants, and the biggest tech gadget show in North America. I'm Sylvie Barak for EE Times. As you can see here, we've got a long line that's leading to CES Unveiled. Here we get a sneak peek at some of the gadgets we'll be seeing more of on the show floor later this week. But just for press, tonight, we're going to see them first, and we're going to bring you along and show you some of them.
We wanted to show in this one up to 40 touches, but we know we can do 60 or 80 touches. So applications of subways, train stations, or airports, people trying to find their way around, we want to make sure that electronics, you don't have to change the way you interact with the image. If you do it on your computer, you should be able to walk up to any wall, any display, and be able to interact in the same way.
So this is the topmost urban weather station. It's a personal indoor and outdoor environmental monitor. It sends real-time updates to your mobile phone. You can see this one is the indoor atmospheric elements, and this is the outdoor atmospheric elements.
Well, we're actually the creator of the singing toothbrushes. We're here sponsoring 5 different hit artists, and we have Lady Gaga, we have Psy, LMFAO, One Direction. So we've done a survey, and this increases brushing time by 73%.
And thought about what would happen if we actually brought it into a tabletop mode. Now you could leave, of course, the Windows environment in there and be in touch, but that's really a desktop operating mode with some capability. Here what we're creating basically is a UI that allows you to share content. In this case, whether it be video, so I can actually bring up videos, or I could actually turn this into a gaming machine where I have apps and I can have interactive gaming, because as we've experienced with the advent of tablet PCs, I got my granddaughter sitting over in the corner playing a game and I'm over here watching TV. There's no interaction.
Going into the design aspects, we're dealing with things that we're utilizing sustainable materials, utilizing the eco-friendly materials as well, like hemp and cotton and canvas, as well as recycled aluminum and plastic. And we also this year we've introduced our own fabric, which we call Rewind RPET. It's made from recycled plastic, recycled hemp and cotton.
When I first saw the box, I thought it said PR drone, which made a lot of sense to me, actually, because that's what PR people tend to do. But then I read it closer and it said AR drone, and it's Parrot's Quadcopter. So you're back with us again. Tell us a little bit about what it does.
Yeah, Sylvie, so the AR Drone 2.0 came out in April of last year now, we're in the new year, and it's a high-definition video recording drone. It's a quadricopter that will fly up to 160 feet or 50 meters from where you are with a control device. You can control it from either a smart Apple device or an Android device, tablet or smartphone, and you can be able to do tricks and fly, record the video, upload the video to YouTube, Picasa, etc. It's all a great lot of fun.
So basically we are doing 3D printing as a service. So we have an online service that is able to create 3D printed objects. And we believe that the 3D printing is a real way to create objects. It's a production technology. So that's why we have this collection of templates. So we have developed a way for anyone to be able to customize things online. It's very easy. It's just download the application 3DP case, like 3D printed case, and you download it. You customize one of the casing, and you will find it very easy to use. This is basically the biggest size of an iPhone case that we can print. So it's
now you need an iPhone that big.
Yeah, it's probably iPhone number 27 or something. So when they grow up.
We believe that 50% of your health comes from what you eat, from your nutrition. So that's why we invented the Happy Fork, which is the first smart fork connected to your iPhone and to your Android phone. So this Happy Fork is going to be tracking important data. One of them is the speed you eat. So if you eat too fast, we'll have a gentle vibration to remind you to eat more slowly. We're going to be tracking as well the time you eat and the number of forks serving during the meal. So meaning at the end, there was a study in the United States in 2006 showing that people eating more slowly consume at the end 15% less calories. So this is how, by eating more slowly with the Happy Fork, you're going to be losing weight.
From camera quadcopters to forks that vibrate when you've eaten too fast, CES Unveiled has certainly given us a taste of what's to come at this big electronics gadget show. We've seen Lenovo showing off its tabletop tablets. We've seen fighting robots, we've seen 3D printers, we've also seen some ice sculptures, and plenty of weird and wonderful things. So, is that all there is to see at CES? Probably not. We've got another 2 days before the show even starts. But for a good start, CES Unveiled has certainly been weird, wonderful, and, well, weird. This is Sylvie Brack from EE Times.